Welcome to the fifth and last episode on the Husqvarna 125 build series. A bit different start to this episode. As you've seen, the carburetor as well as the clutch, master and slave cylinder is already coated and are now ready to be reinstalled on the bike. And after that, the electrical system is ready to get reinstalled as well. And when the electrical system is installed, the subframe is going to get cleaned and put back on the bike as well. So I have got the subframe, electrical system, as well as the carburetor installed. So now it's time to install the exhaust system, and thanks to HGS for supporting this build, I'm going to install a full exhaust system on this bike. The silencer is black with a carbon tip. I think it's going to look really cool on the bike. So thanks again to HGS for supporting this build. And now let's get the exhaust installed on the bike. This headlight is the Smoke V2 one from the Thebrapshop. So the bike is now almost done. I've put on all the plastics except for the fork guards and the radiator covers. And that's because it's a lot easier to install the graphics when they are not installed. The graphics I have received from Bold Designs. So the graphics kit, it's white, black, grey and red holographic chrome. And on top of that, the matte laminate. I think this is going to bring the whole build together, and I'm really excited to install it. So thanks to Bold Designs for supporting this build and for being a part of this project. Let's install some graphics. it.